Guys, today I will tell you a few things to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory in your VIVO Y22s. So, in the first step, I'm always starting from the simplest way, but just restart the Bluetooth connection. To do it, just open the settings, go to the Bluetooth, and just use that slider. Just turn it off and turn it on again. Then look for your device on the list. If you still don't know your device here, just open the device name and try to change the name to give some Bluetooth refresh to the settings. But if that way doesn't work for you, just try to restart the device and restart the Bluetooth accessory. After that, check for your device again. You have to remember that a lot of devices have something like a pair mode, and how to enable a pair mode you will find in the manual instruction. In my headphones, this is this button. I have to press this 3 times in my case to open the pair mode of them. Okay, the next way, we have to go to the settings, slide down to the system and choose reset options. Now go to the reset Wi-Fi mobile and Bluetooth, then reset the settings by this button and confirm by the pattern. Then look for your device again. If you still don't have your device on the Bluetooth list, try to update your system. If you have any updates, just download it and install. And the last recommendation from me, just check your phone and your Bluetooth accessory on other device to check which device making a problem here. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.